to listen to the new sport muffler, the Magnaflow muffler that I had installed on this van. I got the pipes, the 50-state catalytic converter, and the sport muffler. There was an option between regular and sport. This is sport. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm going to accelerate. Here, let me put the camera back here. Let's see. Okay, there. That's regular idle, and I'm going to apply acceleration. I don't know if you can hear it, but it sounds really sweet. Let me go outside. Let's see. So here is it. What it sounds like from the outside. There you have it. There's the Vanagon with its muffler, new muffler system. Oh God, it's cold out here. All right, folks, bye.